Okay, Unit 4, statistic. Statistic is all about data analysis. Okay, let's look at the first question. Nancy's school conducted a recycling drive. Students collected 20-pound bags, so each bag costs 20. Each bag is about 20 pounds, right? Either plastic, glass, or metal. The first chart, this is the first chart, shows the data, the bags of each type of container that were collected. Complete the frequency table. What is the frequency table? The frequency table is this one. Frequency means how many times it happened. Okay, let's look at plastic. Plastic, how many times here? The first one, second, this is again, so plastic, 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 plastic. So how many? How many plastic? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did I miss any? Did I miss anything? Okay, 8. So plastic, there are 8. It happened 8 times, so 8 bags of plastic. Okay, second one, glass. Glass. Okay, glass, let me use a different color. So glass, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sometimes it's very easy to miss a couple. So happened 6. So that's it. Number 2. A school administrator conducted a survey in her school. Students were asked to choose the science or the natural history museum for the field trip. Complete a two-way frequency table. Okay, what is two-way frequency table? So the first chart is one way. The bag of container is a plastic or glass. The second question, we have two-way. What does two-way means? We have column and we have rows. Yeah? We have two things. So the column means science or history museum. And on the other side, we have boys or girls. We have gender. We have two different categories. The first frequency is just bags and containers, even though plastic or glass, but they belong to the same category. Yeah, wasted trash or something, recycle trash. But look at the second, two-way. One category is a field trip, and another category is gender, boy or girl. It's totally two different things. Okay, how to complete the table? Okay, we are going to look at the first row. Let's look at the first row. We have boys. Boys, okay, look at the first row. 56 boys choose history. And the total is 102. So science, we don't know how many boys choose science, right? But the science add history equal to the row total. This is the first row, and 102 is the first row total. We know science plus history equal to the total of boys. So we can use 102 subtract 56, we can get the number of science, right? So we can do 102 subtract 56. So this is 46. I believe this is 46. Yeah, 46. You can use a calculator, okay? And sometimes your teacher make mistake too. Okay, now the girls I only have one number. I don't know how many girls prefer history, and I don't know the total. But look at the first column. Here is the row, the total I need to put the total number for this column. So the number here should be the total of first column. So all I need to do is add these two numbers and put the total here. Okay, 46 plus 54, this equal to 100. So I'm going to put 100 here. Now I can look at this row. The row total is 200. And one of the component is 100. So here must be another 100, right? We know 100 plus 100 equal to 200. So this plus this equal to 200. Yeah. This total, 200, that is the grand total. It's the total of the column. It's also the total of the row. So grand total, sorry. Okay, now look at here. 56, add a number. 56, add a number equal to 100. So what should be that number? So we use 100, subtract 56. That should be 100 minus 56. That should be 44. So I'm going to put 44 here. Yeah. Now I can figure out this total, this number. I have a couple different ways to figure out this number. I can either add these two together equal to this total, or I can use the grand total, subtract this number. Get this. So there's a couple different ways to do it. So this number, if I add these two, so 4 add 4 is 8. 5 add 4, that's 98. So I use these two add together equal to 98. If I use a different number, a different method, I use 200 minus 102. It's also 98. Yeah? That means my answer is correct. Number 3. Teresa surveyed 100 students about whether they want to join the math club or the science club. Oh, two different ways. Science or math. Yeah? And yes or no. So this is also a two-way table. So 38 students want to join the math club only. So 38 students said yes about the math. The table, two-way table sometimes is a little tricky. In fact, I wish they can put math right here. Yeah, math instead of here, but it's okay. So how to read this? So 38, look at this number. 38 is, they don't want to join science because here's no. Let's go to the direction of science. It's no. But the 38 goes to math. Oh, this is a yes about math. So 38 students, they want to join math, but not science, right? Look at the sentence here. 38 students want to join the math only. No science club. And 34 want to join the science club only. So 34. 34, look at the number. They said no to math, but yes to science, right? 21 want to join both. Where should I put 21? I should put 21 right here. 21. Because 21, you go to the science, yes. You go to the math, yes. Yeah, 21 want to join both. And 7 did not want to join any either, right? Did not want to. So I should put 7 here. I should put 7 here. Because the number 7, it goes to the science is no. It goes to the math is also no. So double no. Now I need to figure out the total. Let's figure out the row total here. So 21 plus 38. 21 plus 38. That is, so 21, 38. Oh, that's 59. So 59 here. 59. And then 34 add 7 should be here. That number should be 41. I believe it's 41. So now we need to figure out the column total. This column, and here the grand total. So 21 add 21 add 30, 21 add 34. So this add this, that's 55, yeah? And then 38 add 7, that's 45. And here, 59 add 41, that is 100, I believe. Yeah, 100. So 100. I'm going to double check. This two add also equal to 100. So 55 plus 40, yeah, that is also 100. Yeah. Okay, number 3 is done. Now number 4. A pet shop owner surveyed 200 customers about whether they own a cat or dog. Partial result of the survey was recorded below. Complete the two-way frequency table. One half of the respondents own a dog but not a cat. Okay, let's put 200. The total number of the customer should be total, the grand total should be right here, 200. Yeah? And let's check carefully. Okay, one half of the people who get surveyed own a dog but not a cat. Okay, that's dog. So yes, say yes to dog. So own dog but not a cat. So I should put that number here. Half, that means 100, right? Is that correct? One half of the response own a dog but not a cat. Is this correct? One half of the partial result of the survey will. Let me think. Let me double check. One half of the people, one half, that's 100, own a dog but not a cat. They own a dog but not a cat. I think that's correct, right? The number of customers who own either a dog or a cat is 38. So no is 38 right here. And there are no customer who owns both a dog or a cat. So yes, so both yes, that's no. So, can we complete the table now? So here 0 plus 100, that's 100 here. And the column total here, this also should be 100 because 100 plus 100 equal to 200, right? And the row total here should be 100 plus 38, 138. Now this number, I can use 200 minus 138, got this number, right? So this number should be 200 minus 38, that should be 62. And the number here also should be 62 because 62 is the row total for this row. 0 plus the 62 equal to 62. I think the first page is done.